What's the meaning of cellular phone? Cellular phone. Cellular phone.
Cellular phone. Cellular phone. A cellular phone, commonly known as a mobile phone or cell phone, is a handheld device that allows users to make and receive calls and messages wirelessly over a cellular network. The cellular network uses a series of interconnected base stations that transmit signals to and from the mobile device, allowing users to stay connected to the network as they move around. With advances in technology, modern smartphones also offer a wide range of additional features, such as internet connectivity, mobile applications, and multimedia capabilities. Overall, cellular phones have become an essential tool for communication and information access in modern society.